Hi guys, welcome back to my channel You and I Can Cook. I'm back again with yet another famous Mangalorean dish. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare chicken Indad. It's one of the favorite dishes of Mangaloreans. It goes well with sanna, appam, panpale, chapati, naan or even with rice. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Let's check out the ingredients. First, I'm going to marinate the chicken. Put half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, about 1 teaspoon of salt, and a little bit of vinegar. Mix well. Coat well all the chicken pieces and keep aside for at least 1 hour. Now I'm going to grind all the ingredients to a thick paste. The pan is now heated. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of oil. Now put 1 sliced onion. You can use ghee also instead of oil for frying the onion. Put a little bit of salt so that the onion will fry fast. The onions have got a golden color now. I don't want it to fry more. Now I'm going to add the ground masala to it. The Kashmiri chilies which I use are very spicy, so I have de-seeded about 5 chilies from this. Fry the masala well till the smell of raw onion disappears. The masala is fried now and the raw smell of the onion has disappeared. I'm going to add a little bit of the water from the blender. Give it a mix. We'll now add the marinated chicken. coat the chicken pieces well. I'll add some more water. When the chicken starts boiling, it will leave its own water, so I'm not going to add anything more now. Cover and cook for about 10 minutes. It's almost going to be 15 minutes now. There is enough water in this. Chicken is not yet cooked. I will leave it for another 5 minutes to cook, and then I will be putting potatoes. Potatoes are optional. If you want them, you can put, or if you don't want, you can leave them. You can also fry the potatoes and put if you want to. I have cut 2 medium potatoes into wedges and shallow fried them. Now I will be putting it along with the gravy and cooking it for another 10 minutes or till the potatoes are cooked. Chicken has been cooking for about 20 minutes now. I will now put the potatoes. Give it a mix. I won't be putting any salt at this stage because I want the potatoes to be cooked. Cover and cook it for another 5 more minutes. I'm now going to add half a teaspoon of salt. And about 1.5 teaspoon of sugar. Give it a gentle mix. If the gravy is too thick, you can add a little bit of water. Chicken is now cooked. This is the consistency of gravy that I require. You can dry it still more if you want to. I'll now turn off the flame and plate the dish.
Here you go, guys. Delicious chicken Indad is now ready to be served.